Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how to set up the CC Plus in VS Code? Well, it's going to be really simple. All you have to do is search on the CNC Plus on your coder right here, and you just basically click on install if you want, if that's what you basically want. Again, in a previous video we have tackled about the commands, basic command chains, and how to actually utilize it. So in here you can basically install. These are one of the apps that are available also. So click on install. It's installing, so let's just wait for it a little bit, and we could dissect it to basically its command chains as well, like any other app that we did before. You could set up with your CC computer. Basically click on this one. I advise you to click on this one because it'll just save you hassle from going to and fro with command chains basically. So yeah, so once you've downloaded and install the C and C Plus, you can just basically go ahead with basic command chains like any other applications in and of itself. You could basically find my new computer. I don't know if you want that one. So again, click on whichever it is convenient for you. You could automatically run a debug system, but on a previous video we've taught you how to run the debug system. But in here you can just basically, since we're not running a debug, we're just talking about the how to install the CNC Plus, and yeah, let's properly set it up now, and that's how simple and easy it is. So a few tweaks here and there. You could open up and preset these settings so that you won't have to bother yourself with commands when push comes to shove here. So in here you could basically change your settings, unlock. So in here are the actual features if you want to allow them, like this one. You could basically choose as many as you want. Again, see these applications on the side here showing, that's one of the I don't know if oh, here it is, CC Plus. So it is. So here are the open command. You just basically, this is the sector that I was talking about. Now in the previous video we've talked about how to actually run a debug, but right now you just basically click on next sector, and each of these applications right here, CC Plus, like this one. Let's say for example, if you don't necessarily need CC Plus, you need this one right here. There's a lot of applications as well that are available here, like this one, Python. We've touched on Python on a previous video. In fact, that's the whole topic of the previous video. We've run a debug system. And matter of fact, let's just do a quick debugging here. So in here, just click front and debug. That's just basically it. So we just wait for it to do its key work here, and yeah, run the fundamentals. So that's just basically it. Well, the actual debug in and of itself, like for example, if you splice it here, you could just basically debug two applications at the same time, or you could just basically use the same application on the other side from which you've spliced it from. So for example, on this side you're going to be using Python, and on the other side you're going to be using CC Plus. That's totally possible. Again, here are the command chains right here. You could manually press it with your mouse, but you could just basically manually type it in with your keyboard as well. Here are the applications lists right here. CC Plus is here as well, and you could debug and run these apps right here in and of itself. So instead of using the actual command chain, you can just basically type it in on your keyboard. In fact, a lot of professionals on this one are really fast and really savvy that you basically just see them typing. Yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.